Welcome back, everybody. Today we got another well, actually it's our first episode of working on the Honda. My last one was just picking it up, so if you want to check that out, go ahead. But anyway, we're gonna be pulling parts off of this Honda, putting it into the new one that we just picked up. So yeah, today's mostly gonna be working on the headliner, getting it all freshened up, because right now it looks really musty. One more thing, guys, I'm not a professional. I don't really know exactly what I'm doing. I'm Chris fixing it / freaking just YouTube tutorialing it up, so I don't suggest using my videos as a tutorial. I'm just letting you guys know this is your heads up. I'm learning on the process, and that's kind of the point of these videos, is more just to, you know, show off the journey. But with that being said, enjoy the video. Alright guys, so for the first thing today, we are going to be fixing this, because as you can tell, it is super dangly. It does not want to stay up, and that is a hazard. Oh shit. God damn. Alrighty, so yeah, that's how it comes up, I guess. So got that one, we got this one, and you can tell that these are two different colors, so all right, so gave it a nice little wipe down. And you can tell, oh yeah, look at that, that's a lot cleaner. Microfiber cloth, baby. We'll probably get that black trim stuff that makes it darker and all that, and makes it nicer. So but yeah, this works for now. This one just pops out real easy as well with some screws. Gotta love it when they make it simple, these old school cars.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, guys, so I just got this thing out, and that was the most annoying process so far. Holy shit, that was annoying. Basically, the way you have to take it out, and I'm gonna hand it to my brother. Can you actually go to the other side for me, please? Yep. So basically, all you have to do is there's this little tab right here. You have to push it in. It's gonna be seated in, and you can see it moving. Hopefully.
Look at this dude.
You can see it move when I push in. So basically the idea of doing that is, let's go up here now. Pushing that because it's like a locking tab. And before, look, it's like this. It's not going to want to turn, nothing. So you push that in and it should pop out. Yeah, see? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, pops right out. So far the most annoying part.
There she goes.
That one plopped out real weird. Hasn't been taken out in forever.
If ever.
Now this thing I think should just technically pop out right here. There it is, yeah.
Oh!
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And then I should probably. Oh, I think that. Oh,
You would drop the
I
damn
would
thing.
drop the screw.
Did it just come out, or?
Yeah.
Is there any more screws, or sure?
No, it's just the one.
There we go. There she go. Oh, there's another one. Oh. There she goes. There you go.
Got that
Now I
out.
need to go find that screw.
Like I said, there was a spider here, so I'm all nervous now. Speedy spiders. Bam! It was a pop right out. There we go.
Several days later.
Nice and easy. Boom. We've already gotten a couple steps already done. As you can see, it is getting a lot darker. I started the process a little too late, but it's okay. So yeah, this car honestly turned out to be a really good parts car. So it's a good thing I ended up keeping it. Because even the fender, I mean, the fender has like a very light, now that I'm looking at it, because I kind of forgot about this, but a very light dent right there. Not too bad though. That was a pain in the ass to get out. Got that out now. We didn't really technically need to take all that out, but I was like, "F that out." So took it all out. this is gonna pop out a lot more easier. You can tell that there was some type of spiders down here, so that's fun. Gotta love it, right? So anyway, now we gotta really just do that to the same thing to this side, basically. Hopefully we don't get bit by no spider over there, because I know there's one living over there, I think. But yeah, and then I think after that, try to make this panel right here loose, and then we'll just pop it right out. Once we slide it to the back, we'll try to shift it out of the door. So hopefully everything goes to plan, but not everything likes to go to plan usually. Hella easy. That's literally just popped out. I wish I was able to get it on footage, but as you can tell, I didn't even have to pop them out. So hopefully it's all reusable. But at this point, let's just try to take it out. Everything literally, like I said, plopped right out perfectly. I didn't even have to take out that back plastic. And yeah, honestly, that's so far a success. Let's just get it out the car without breaking it. And that's the next goal. But now under the light, thankfully you guys are able to see the condition of the headliner, and this is exactly why I just wanted to pull it out. The worst spot has to be just this little patch right here. I thought I was gonna have to clean a lot more, but I can thankfully just kind of focus in this one area, hopefully get out some of this other spots maybe from just using a damp towel and a dry one. The spot has kind of actually gone away. I'm just doing pats and wipes like this.
Nice.
You can still kind of see the spot a little. Like where it was dirty. Time to take it off again. But pretty much the same process that we were doing on that Honda, we're gonna be doing on this one. What the fuck is this? What the hell? Oh, here.
Oh, it's the handle.
I found the handle, guys. Boom. There she goes. There you go. All right, guys. So this thing has been stuck since it was crashed, but my brother was just messing around with it. Explain what you did real quick.
So there's a wire that goes to the latch here. So all I did was grip it, and I pulled it hard enough because this is what the latch is on the interior to open the hood is. And all I had to do was pull it hard enough, and I should be able to.
Yeah. Motor.
Hold on,
Your
wait.
fingers.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah.
Now we know what to do. Good job, Elias.
I feel better about myself.
All right, now back to this goddamn door. Now what I am interested to find out is how I'm gonna take off the trimming on this end, just because of the fact that the door is stuck. It doesn't open. It doesn't open at all. So I'm gonna have to crawl through and just hope and pray that we can pop off the liner right here. So let's see. All right, guys. So my guess is child safety might be locked because when I pull this, that sounds like child safety to me, if I remember correctly. So let's try to prop this open. Alright guys, so I finally got it out. As you can see, I literally had to just pull the trimming. I've done everything. This door does not want to open, guys. It's stuck. I need to do some actual serious work on this door. And I got really impatient, guys. And I pretty much broke the freaking headliner. Oh, there we go. That's another one. That's another one. Oh, there you go. We got it out with only one of them breaking, sadly, but oh well. Now we'll be able to get the headliner in very easily without having to risk damaging it. I honestly probably could have gotten that one out, but these seats were Ford. And I was trying to get it out this little gap. Don't let anger take control, guys. Because that damn headliner and the combination of the door was really making me frustrated. Look at this disgusting shit that leaves all over my fingers. Shit. The success of taking out the trim earlier was short-lived. We ended up having to still take out the seat either way because we can't get the trimming back onto the door. And since the door doesn't open, it's making it a lot harder to actually put that trimming in there. So yeah, we're taking off these seats so that we can access those panels right there, take that off, and hopefully then we can finally take off the door panel. The door panel at least. Figure out what's wrong with the latch, try to unlatch it or hook it back on so that the door can open finally. But it's a real pain in the ass, guys. A real pain in the ass for sure. Alright guys, so we got it out, unbolted it from all of that, took off the latch that was onto this part. So yeah, took that thing off. Now we're just gonna pull this out, but I'm gonna make my brother do it. That's right. Free labor. Here we go.
What the?
Boom. Just like that.
What's this?
Oh shit, what is that? You know, I wonder if the person before had subs.
Oh, you know what? Maybe. There's the fuel tank.
Yeah. Let's take this out. Watch out.
Oh, it's like molded into it. At least the foam doesn't look half bad. It's kind of red.
Guys, I'm over here. I don't even know I'm showing you this, but I'm excited. He got the door open. Elias is a f***ing G, god damn it. Let's go. I'm about to bleep that out so much.
What happened? I took this, I put it there, and I pulled because apparently pulling this was not enough. So I needed leverage. That's all. That's literally all it was.
I'm happy about that now, guys. This door was not able to open on one bit. We could finally, oh my god. You can see how much I damaged it. Look.
Oh shit.
Guys, I straight spliced it. Oh man. Look, I don't even think we were getting close. We were going actually higher than it. And this car is gonna need a nice little repaint. Oh, that lock is stuck. Oh yeah, that's stuck. We can't.
So the child safety lock was never on. However, it doesn't work.
Now back to this headliner, like we were originally trying to do. But oh well, we were gonna need to take out this thing either way. Look at that, look at all that. We're gonna need to end up taking that seat out either way, because just look at how gunky this thing is. So yeah, we gotta clean this up. This totally isn't the second attempt. It worked. All right, so let's check out these before and afters. And you can already instantly see the difference. Just look at that before and after, guys. Wow. You can kind of see where our fingers imprinted into the headliner, but after some time it should settle and those will disappear. That's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any videos you want to see with this car, of course, let me know down in the description below. Since we already took out those back seats, we're gonna give those a clean up the trunk, clean up everything, honestly. Thank you guys though for watching, and I will be catching you guys on the next episode of Building the Civic, or the car shows, whatever videos you guys like to watch. But have a good one, and I'll see you out on the next one.